Hi Rachel, I'm Mark Melni. This is our BD-CK. This is the device that we're going to be having in the Home Depot market. And if Home Depot would like to have us, this is called powder coating, and they look very cool. But this is very low cost for us to do this. We could powder coat it in green or whatever that we would like to. Now, this is our BD-CK. This replaces this, okay? Now, this is a crimp, and when you go onto YouTube, I'll forward you a couple of YouTube videos that will show how this guy is done. This usually takes 2 crimps on each side, and then this cable is pushed into the side over on this side and on one side on the other, and then they're crimped together. Definitely cheap. However, the tools to do this are very expensive, as you'll see in the videos, and they're time consuming and labor and then all the other stuff. So that's a standard crimp. Our BD-CK, and here's our testing BD-CK. We have these are our samples that are going into UL to be tested, and they're made out of the exact same material as this, which is aluminum 6063. Okay, now here are the standard tools that would be used for the BD-CK. First of all, this is a channel lock. The channel locks are carried by almost all electricians, power linemen, etc. It's very easy to verify. A common tool, and you probably have these around the home. This is a 1-inch open-end wrench. Again, very common tool. Now, the way our device is connected is they have these caps on here. We have a zinc oxide on the inside that is called an antioxidant. That allows our aluminum to be used for either aluminum or copper. Now, these are copper 2-aught cables. The way this will be done is that the electrician or homeowner or whatever will stick this inside there until it meets the pin that goes inside. Once that's inside, the electrician or whatever would hold one end of the body and then turn this nut clockwise. As the nut turns, the inside insert is radially activated. And then I apply about 30 pounds of pressure in here. By the way, this is my first BD-CK. Whoops. There we go. Then the nuts go on the wrenches go back on here, and this could be either a open-end wrench or it could be 2 of those channel locks. We tighten them to about 35 pounds, like so, and we're done. Now we've made a connection here, a electrical connection that is would take. I would say doing it this way, Rachel, would probably be about 5-6 minutes, maybe longer if you're as awkward as I am with these tools. Especially if you could imagine doing this with a pair of crimpers, very large, or the electronic crimpers that Burndy sells and other companies. And the way those work is they look just like a electronic, what do you call it? A power, what do you call those?
Powder drill.
Yeah, anyways, anyway, their power grip that goes around the top of it, and then they squeeze it down, and then it electronically squeezes this down. That is the other option. Those things are about anywhere from $1,100 to $1,600 for those kind of tools. Anyway, That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Thank you.